Hey everyone, let's break down what's happening in the markets right now. After a tense weekend of headlines, US stocks opened pretty much flat, even as investors eyed Iran's next move after that US airstrike on Iranian nuclear sites. President Trump called it a spectacular military success, saying Iran's nuclear capability was wiped out. But if you ask most officials and market pros, they're a lot more cautious. Major indexes, the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq, dipped just a hair. The 10-year Treasury yield is down to 4.34%, so no panic, but definitely a lot of watching and waiting. Now, oil. Prices spiked at first, no surprise, right? But they cooled off quickly, now just edging up about 0.2% to $73.96 a barrel. Still, inflation jitters are real. If oil jumps again, we could see gas prices keep climbing, already up over 2% this week. And everyone's laser-focused on whether Iran might try to block the Strait of Hormuz. That's the choke point for 20% of global oil. An Iranian official hinted it's on the table, so that's fueling some of the nerves. Geopolitically, China condemned the US strike but stopped short of backing Iran directly. Trade routes are still open, but shipping insurance rates have soared, so higher costs are creeping in, even if oil's still flowing. Meanwhile, let's talk crypto. Bitcoin took a brief dive below $100K, but bounced back to over $101,000. Metaplanet in Tokyo just snatched up over 1,000 BTC for $117 million. So institutional adoption is still rolling. Norway hit pause on new crypto mining centers, while Texas set up the first ever state-funded Bitcoin reserve. Plus, Fiserv's new stablecoin platform, in partnership with Circle and PayPal, sent its shares up over 3.5%. So, what's the big takeaway? Markets are holding steady for now, but oil volatility and geopolitics remain the wild cards, and in crypto, resilience and adoption keep building. Stay tuned, things could get interesting fast.